Okay, now read by yourself the pink one.
Bata.
Okay, very good. Now the pink one, the second pink one.
Taha.
What?
Taha.
No, that's not ta. Ta has two upper dots. This alphabet has lower two dots. Which alphabet is it? This is ya. Read Khadija. Ya.
Yaha.
Bata.
Bata.
Ya.
Yaha.
Okay, now read by yourself this one.
Bata.
Very good, Khadija. Now this one.
Yaha.
Okay, Khadija. Now again the pink one.
Bata.
Okay, Khadija. Now the second one.
Yaha.
Yes, Khadija. Very good. Now read it again. Bache, the pink one. The first one.
Bata.
Okay, the second one.
Yaha.
Good, Khadija. Very good, Bache. Now the blue is lesson. This is the two upper dots are for ta and the half shape of ha. Okay, ta.
Taha.
Good, ta.
Taha.
Okay, good, ta.
Taha.
Ta.
Taha.
Ta.
Taha.
The next one, the second one, the pink one, the blue one, sorry. The half shape of noon and the half shape of ha with two dots. That's ta, okay? Noon, ta,
Nun. Ta.
noon, ta,
Nun. Ta.
noon, ta,
Nun. Ta.
ta, ha,
Ra.
noon, ta.
Nun.